Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Acorns mobile app works as a micro-investing tool that helps users grow their money automatically. Built for beginners and passive investors, Acorns combines investing, saving, and spending features in one place to make wealth building more accessible. The app rounds up spare change from daily purchases and invests it into a professionally managed portfolio. Users can also schedule recurring contributions or make one-time deposits. Portfolios are based on risk levels, and setup is simple with minimal input required after linking a bank account. Acorns also includes retirement options, a built-in checking feature, and educational content for building financial habits. The interface is beginner-friendly, displaying your balance, portfolio performance, and recent roundup activity in one dashboard. The main pros are its automation, simplicity, and how little effort is needed to start investing. On the downside, some users mention the monthly fee may not be worth it for small balances, and experienced investors might find the app too limited. Recent user feedback is mostly positive, especially from people who enjoy how effortless investing feels. Many appreciate the roundup feature and say the app helps them save money they wouldn't normally think about. Overall, Acorns is a solid option for anyone looking to build long-term savings through automated investing. It's best suited for those who prefer a hands-off approach without dealing with stock picking or market research. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.